Hi, I made this sample Dapp by following a video from Dapp University. The link to his video is in the description. This is a sample bank running on the blockchain. We can deposit Ether to the bank. Currently, this user has 85.6 Ether. If I deposit 10, okay. And we'll see that he has 10 Ether less for now. After some time, we can withdraw our Ether together with the interest in the form of ERC20 tokens, which the bank has minted. We are calling it DBC. And here we see the 10 Ether is returned to the user, and this current user now has an additional amount of DBC tokens. We can also borrow DBC tokens, during which Ether will be held in the smart contract as collateral. In this case, if I want to borrow 5 tokens, I'll need to they'll hold 10 tokens as collateral. So if I borrow 10, sorry, I want to borrow 5 tokens. So they will have to hold 10 tokens. They have to hold 10 Ether as collateral. And I have successfully borrowed 5 tokens. Once the loan is paid off, the Ether held as collateral minus the interest will be sent back to the borrower's account. Currently, I have 75.6 Ether because 10 are held in collateral. If I were to pay off these 5 BBC tokens, okay, I have paid off my 5 tokens, and now I have 10 Ether minus the borrowing fee. The blockchain serves as the backend and database for this sample project. In this case, we are running Ganesh as a local blockchain. There are 2 smart contracts, one for the token and one for the bank. Whenever there's a deposit, the amount will be stored on a bank smart contract together with the user's address and timestamp. When a withdrawal is requested, the bank smart contract will mint the corresponding amount of DBC tokens according to the amount of Ether and amount of time the Ether is held in the smart contract. It will then send both the Ether and the minted tokens back to the user's address. When a loan is requested, the amount of tokens requested is minted and sent to the user's address. At the same time, the collateral amount of Ether is held in the smart contract. When loan payoff is triggered, the DBC tokens held by the user is sent back to the smart contract. The collateral Ether minus 10% fee in this case is sent back to the user's address. For front end, we use React.js as the view framework and Web3.js to connect to the local Ganesh blockchain. On first load, it checks if all the necessary elements like the blockchain, the smart contracts, MetaMask, and user account information are all in place. It is then able to execute the deposit, withdraw, borrow, and pay off function on the bank smart contract using the send method as defined in Web3.js. This is the end of the video. Thank you.